Hazy days, but not necessarily lazy days, as it's back to the grind now after Labor Day. All the kids back to school. We are all back to work, and temperatures still stuck in summer. But hey, I'm okay with that. Walk the dog weather indeed. As we head into your evening, current conditions look right now out at Hector. Those temperatures have risen well into the 80s. We're 82 degrees. Moorhead at your airport, 81. Our wind has shifted direction today. Now, yesterday it was gusting over 30 miles per hour from the south. Tonight, out of the north, 12 miles per hour. That northerly wind cooling things off just a pinch from Langdon through Roseau, 79 degrees there. And Thief River Falls has 80. Babe the Blue Ox says 79 is very comfortable for this time of the year, especially if you're an ox and doing woodwork. 85 in Bismarck. Now, as we look down the south, things are sizzling hot. Look at Nebraska, 95 North Platte inside this circle here. That's triple-digit heat taking place out there. And take a look at this national picture from basically Frisco, Texas, all the way to the west coast. Not much of anything going on in the way of clouds, showers, very dry weather in our area. Visible satellite. Let's turn the surface of the earth dark here so we can take a look at what's going on. Visible satellite here. Now we're looking at those fires that we've been watching out to the west. This is in Idaho, west of places like Missoula. You can see the smoke that's filling into the atmosphere from these fires. Now, certainly some of the haze that we have going on right now is a result of smoke that's made its way into the upper atmosphere, but we're not necessarily noticing too bad of a reduction in air quality here. Now, smoke forecast. Let's get right to this. As we go through the day on Wednesday into Thursday, we have a big plume of smoke heading our way. But this is a model that's forecasting through the entire depth of the atmosphere the smoke that will be making its way in. This will provide the entire region with beautiful setting suns. It'll be orange or red. Just spectacular sunrises as well as a result of the smoke filled in the atmosphere. But how much of it will actually be down near the surface, reducing your air quality? Check this out. Here's that plume of smoke. Now in the upper atmosphere, it makes it here, but down at the surface, this model's forecasting surface smoke. It's going to have the best chance at reducing air quality in South Dakota and the Southern Valley here, where we see the darker blue colors. That's on Thursday, so be prepared for that. How about the rest of your weather? Shh, looks real quiet. We're talking 80 tonight. As sun sets, the wind dies down, clear skies. Overnight, temperatures sneak down into the 50s, 40s for some up north. It'll be a crisp start. Give the air conditioners a rest. And then as we head through the day tomorrow, temperatures will be rising. Lunchtime will be in the mid 70s in most locations to near 80 south and west. Another hot day in our southwestern counties. Ellendale, Oaks, your area could see near 90-degree heat. Low to mid 80s across eastern third of North Dakota and the Red River Valley counties of Minnesota. Otherwise closer to those lower 80s in Lakes Country. Late in the day, we do have some clouds on the increase. We do have some showers that will happen in the western Dakotas, and overnight we might see a few sprinkles out to the west. Here's a look at your planner for Fargo. 57 to start. Wind southerly again. It picks up in the afternoon, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Your temperature, low 80s. This photo here, Mary captured the harvest ongoing. Certainly that kicks up some dust in our lower atmosphere, adding to the particulate matter in the atmosphere that those rays of sun have to travel through. That bends more of these orange and red hues our way. Smoke in your forecast Thursday, 85 degrees. Cold front moves through. Look at that. Friday, whoo! Not parka weather, but definitely chilly. Chance of a few showers. Warm it up through the weekend, back into the mid 70s. That's seasonable for this time of the year. Quiet for next week and low 70s.
Not loving those lows in the 40s though.
Yeah, you know, we'll see some upper 30s here before too much longer, but you know what? We'll let you know about it when that's going to happen.
All right, yeah. Write it out. Thanks, Hutch. Stick with us. The e-cigarette company accused of starting an addiction surge is now settling a 2-year investigation with more than $400 million.